in this video I want to show you how to load paper in your Brother MFC-J4335DW printer. So let's get started. So this printer has actually two different paper inputs. The first one, and the one I think you're going to use the most often, is this drawer style input. So stick your finger over here and simply pull towards yourself. If we take a look over here, we're going to have these three green guides, and depending what kind of paper you want to put, you will be able to move them accordingly. So I don't know if it's clear on the camera, but we have some inscriptions over here. LTR is for letter size paper. This is the one I will input in just a few seconds. And then you have other paper size, EXE, B5, A5, Photo 2L, 4x6 photo paper, okay, this line. And every time you want to choose one, you simply need to pinch this and adjust accordingly. Same things with these guides. This one has a small latch over here that you need to pinch and then adjust. So if you want to print on envelopes, well, obviously you're going to bring them together. Now, if you want to print on legal size paper, this drawer is a bit too small, but they made a small trick over here. You see, there's a button that you need to press and pull at the same time the rest of the drawer, and you'll be able to extend it. So you'll be able to print on legal size. But in my case, I don't want that. So I'll put it back simply again by pressing this button and pushing. So I have some letter size paper, US letter size, to input. Simply have to glide it between these two green guides, and it should stay just like this. At the end, simply close the drawer. Now let me show you the other paper input that is located on the back of this printer. So this is the back of the printer. All right, and if you flip this plastic piece over here, you'll be able to input some paper as well. You have some gray guides on the side. This input is not going to be used often. Why I say this, it's as it says over here, I know it's hard to see, but you'll not be able to load more than one paper at a time. It's a secondary paper input. So let's say you have your US letter size on the front, the one that you use the most often, but sometimes you like to print on envelopes or maybe a photo paper 4x6. In that case, you can leave the paper in the printer the same way I showed you a few seconds ago, and every time you want to print on a special paper, let's say, you'll be able to put it on the back without disturbing the front input. And again, you have some inscriptions over here, LTR for letter size, LGL legal size. You'll need to push these gray guides over here, and you have other size mentioned over here. This is about it. If you found this video helpful, check my Amazon links down below. I'll put links towards paper. Usually it's pretty cheap on Amazon, so check my links to support my channel. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.